Okay, so now that we have an understanding how the logarithms work when we transform them, how the graphs work, I'll show you a quicker, easier way to graph them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this in exponential form. So I'm reusing one of the examples here just so you can see how it works. And so I'll have a base of 2, so it'll be 2 to the yth power equals x. And then I'm going to build a table. Okay, and I'm going to what I'm going to do now is I'm going to work this kind of backwards. I'm going to substitute values in for y and figure out what x is. So when y is 0, well, 2 to the 0th power is 1, so x would be 1. Then I would substitute maybe like a number like 1 in for 2, or for y rather, so 2 to the first power is 2. I could do 2 to the 4th power, so I'd have 4, 2, and so forth. 3, I substitute 3, that's going to give me 8. And then I would just plot those points. So I would say, okay, well, 1, 0, 2, 4 would be up here, or 2, 1 rather. My mistake, I missed. Terrible handwriting, gosh, just got me in trouble. Anyway, 2 to the 2, 1, 4, 2, and then 8, 3. So we can kind of see what this is looking like. I can even substitute a -1, so 2 to the -1 power gives me, 1/2. So 1/2 and then -1. And then you just connect those points. You try to, more successfully than me, because I'm just really weak at this on this pad. Anyway, hopefully you get the idea. So that's a little easier way of doing that. But wait, what if it's more complex like this, where it's all like translated and stuff? Well, that's not a problem. We can handle that. So I would go ahead and I would rewrite this in exponential form as well. So the first thing I want to do is I would subtract 1, okay, because we want to get the log by itself. So I'd have y minus 1 is equal to log base 2 of x plus 3, okay? Then I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this as 2 to the y minus 1 power, which is equal to x plus 3, and then we'll get the x by itself by subtracting 3 on both sides. So I have 2 to the yth minus 1 power minus 3 is equal to x. And then we would just build a table from there. So I'll go ahead and break out my table where stuff thing, and I'll work it the same. So I'll substitute values of y and get x. So let's say I put in 1 for y. Well, 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 to the 0th power is 1. 1 minus 3 is -2. Bam. Okay, then I would substitute in 2. So maybe I could do 2. So that's going to be 2 to the second, or 2 minus 1 is 3, and then, or 2 minus 1 is 1, so 2 to the first power is 2 minus 3, so that'd give me -1. And I could substitute in 3. So 3 minus 1 is 1, 2 rather, gosh. And that's going to give me 4. 4 minus 3, that's going to be +1. And so forth. I could go in 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3. That's going to be 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. And then I would just plot my values from there. It's -2 and 1. So we would go there. And then -1 and 2. We would go there. And then we go 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 5 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can kind of get a feel for what it looks like, and then we can connect the dots, or attempt to. Now, because I know that it's been translated 3 to the left, I know that there's going to be an asymptote right here, so that's where I'll be bending it as best as I can. So it'll look more or less like this. Don't touch the asymptote. It's hot lava. Okay. Anyway, that's another way you can graph it. It's quick and easy, and well, I hope it helps you.